Alright, how's it guys? Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I want to show with you how to master a beat, how to get that warm, balanced, wide, puncher, constant and louder beats. Okay, I'm gonna give you 6 easy steps to master your beats, to take your beat to the next level. Okay, let me show you the mixed version and the mastered version so that you can see or you can hear the difference. Okay, then I will go step by steps showing you how I made this master chain. Okay, this is the unmastered version. Let's see how it sounds. So this is the mastered version. So now I'm gonna switch between them. Okay, let's hear the unmastered. Okay, so now let's go to the tutorial. So the plugins I'm using are this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 plugins. So sorry, the first one, let me turn all off. The first one is this balancer. This is a free plugin. I don't know if it's still free till now, but it was a free plugin. Okay, this is auto EQ or auto balance. I don't know how to call it or how to pronounce it, but it's a balancer. You just choose the instrument you are using, or you want to EQ or you want to balance, and then click relay just so the plugin can read or may read your material, and it automatically EQ it, and I think it compress a little bit. Okay, so I'm choosing this universal because it's just a master. Okay, then I've clicked relay, and then I put right and I boost all the intensity. Okay, as you can see. Let me turn off the plugin. Let's see how it sounds without the plugin, and I will engage the plugin. Okay, this is the first step, balance. Okay, then the next step is to add this analog character, analog warmth. I'm using this Head Crusher version 2. Okay, I'm using three instances of them. I'm using the first one is a British. First one is this one. It's a British. Then the second one is vintage. Then the other one, I'm using American version. Okay, I'm gonna show you. You just copy the preset. I won't explain how it works, but you can just copy the presets, the settings. The first one is this one. The second one is this one. Okay. Then the third one is this one. Okay, let's copy the setting. So let me engage them without first. Now engage. Okay, it brings a big difference. Okay, it gives that analog with this analog character. Okay, then the other one, so the next step is wide, the stereo enhancer. Okay, so I'm using this wizard, this cool plugin for stereo enhance. Okay, I'm using it on 42%. So let's see how it sounds without first. Now with it. Yeah, it just open up the mix. So then I'm using this R bass to give that punch and this fatness. Okay, on the low end I'm using 52. I've choose 50 frequency, then I've boosted. Just you can see here, I've reduced for minus 4.5. Okay, let's see how it sounds without. Then I will engage it so that you can use this fatness and this punch. Without and with. Okay, so the next one, consistency, that glue. I'm using this compressor to glue the mix. Then I'm using this soft clipper so that I can give that volume, this loudness. Okay, so this is the fifth step and the sixth step. For that it's a glue it, then boost it. Okay, let's see how it sounds with this plugin on without first. Now it. So that's it for the tutorial, guys. Let's see now before. After.